Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about U.S. Green Card, benefits, eligibility, and application process. A U.S. Green Card grants permanent residency, allowing individuals to live and work in the U.S. indefinitely, with multiple pathways, including family sponsorship, employment, and investment. Understanding the process is key to achieving long-term stability. A U.S. Green Card, officially known as a permanent resident card, grants an individual the legal right to live and work in the United States indefinitely. Unlike temporary visas, which impose restrictions on employment and travel, a green card establishes a stable legal status that can eventually lead to U.S. citizenship. In this video, we explore the key benefits of holding a green card, the primary eligibility pathways, and essential steps involved in the application process. Benefits of holding a U.S. green card. A green card provides a range of advantages that extend beyond permanent residency in the U.S. These benefits include: 1. Lawful permanent residency. Holding a green card allows you to live and work anywhere in the U.S. without the need to continuously renew visas or worry about reentry restrictions. As long as you maintain your status, you can remain in the country indefinitely. 2. Employment flexibility. Unlike temporary visa holders, green card holders are not restricted to specific employers or job types. You can work for almost any employer, switch jobs freely, or even start your own business without needing employer sponsorship. 3. Pathway to U.S. citizenship. After maintaining permanent residency for a specified period, typically 5 years, or 3 years if married to a U.S. citizen, green card holders become eligible to apply for U.S. citizenship. Becoming a citizen provides additional benefits, including the right to vote and obtain a U.S. passport. 4. Access to social services. Green card holders can access certain federal and state benefits, such as healthcare services, educational opportunities, and Social Security benefits. These services provide stability for long-term personal and professional growth. 5. Travel advantages. Although extended absences from the U.S. can impact residency status, a green card allows for international travel without requiring a new visa each time you re-enter the U.S. 6. Legal protections. Permanent residents are entitled to legal protections under U.S. law, including labor rights, access to courts, and due process in legal matters. Pathways to obtaining a U.S. green card. There are multiple pathways to qualifying for a green card, with the main categories being: 1. Employment-based green cards. Employment-based green cards are available for individuals who either have a job offer in the U.S. or possess exceptional abilities. This category includes EB-1 priority workers, for individuals with extraordinary ability in sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. It also includes outstanding professors, researchers, and multinational executives. EB-2 professionals with advanced degrees, requires either an advanced degree or exceptional ability in specific fields. A national interest waiver is available for applicants who can demonstrate that their work benefits the U.S. significantly. EB-3 skilled and unskilled workers includes professionals with bachelor's degrees, skilled workers with 2 years of training or experience, and unskilled workers performing labor requiring less than 2 years of experience. EB-4 special immigrants includes religious workers, certain minors, broadcasters, and others with specialized roles. EB-5 immigrant investors requires an investment of at least $1,050,000 or $800,000 in high unemployment or rural areas, and the creation of at least 10 full-time jobs for U.S. workers. 2. Family-based green cards. Family-based immigration is a cornerstone of U.S. immigration policy, allowing U.S. citizens and green card holders to sponsor certain relatives. Eligibility depends on immediate relatives, spouses, parents, and unmarried children under 21 of U.S. citizens. Family preference categories include siblings, married children, and other relatives of U.S. citizens or permanent residents. Affidavit of support. The sponsor must file Form I-864 to prove they can financially support the immigrant. 3. Diversity Visa Lottery DV program. The Diversity Visa Lottery randomly selects individuals from countries with low immigration rates to the U.S. Applicants must be from an eligible country, updated annually by the U.S. government, have a high school diploma or 2 years of work experience, in a qualifying field. Submit an application during the designated period and, if selected, pass background checks and an interview. Green card application process. Understanding the application process is essential for a successful petition. The general steps include 1. Filing a petition. Employment-based. Employers file Form I-140 on behalf of the employee. Some applicants can self-petition, e.g., EB, 1 Extraordinary Ability, or EB, 2 NIW applicants. Family-based. U.S. citizens or permanent residents file Form I-130 to establish the familial relationship. Investors must submit extensive documentation proving the legitimacy of their investment. 2. Submitting the green card application. Once a petition is approved, or concurrently in some cases, applicants file Form I-485, adjustment of status, if they are in the U.S., or go through consular processing at a U.S. embassy if abroad. 3. Biometrics background checks and medical examinations. Biometrics. Fingerprints, photographs, and signatures are collected. Background checks. Conducted a screen for criminal history and immigration violations. Medical exam. Performed by a USCIS-approved doctor to screen for inadmissible health conditions. 4. The interview. Most green card applicants must attend an interview where a USCIS officer verifies documentation and assesses eligibility. 5. Approval and green card issuance. Standard green cards, valid for 10 years and renewable. Conditional green cards, issued in cases such as recent marriages or certain EB-5 applications, valid for 2 years. Applicants must file to remove conditions before expiration. Maintaining permanent residency. After obtaining a green card, certain responsibilities must be upheld to maintain status. Physical presence. Prolonged absences from the U.S. can result in the loss of permanent residency unless a reentry permit is obtained. Tax obligations. Green card holders must file U.S. tax returns on their worldwide income. Renewal and citizenship. While green cards are renewable every 10 years, many choose to apply for U.S. citizenship after meeting residency requirements, which includes passing an English and civics test. Conclusion: obtaining a U.S. green card is a significant milestone that provides long-term stability, employment flexibility, and a pathway to U.S. citizenship, whether through employment, family sponsorship, investment, or the diversity visa lottery. Understanding the process and meeting eligibility requirements is crucial for a successful application. Once granted, maintaining legal status and fulfilling residency responsibilities ensures continued benefits and security in the U.S. Securing a green card is a major step toward a stable future in the U.S., while the process can be complex. Proper preparation and legal guidance can improve success. With the right approach, permanent residency and eventually citizenship becomes achievable.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to talk about US green card benefits, eligibility and application process. A green card, officially known as a permanent resident card, grants an individual the legal right to live and work indefinitely in the United States. Unlike temporary visas, it provides stability, employment, flexibility, access to social services, and pathway to U.S. citizenship. Green card holders can work for any employer, change job freely, and even start businesses without the restrictions imposed on a visa holder. They also gain access to certain federal and state benefits, including healthcare and education, and enjoy legal protections under U.S. law. While international travel is permitted, prolonged absence may jeopardize their residency status. There are several pathways to obtaining a green card. Employment-based green card are available to individuals with job offers in the U.S. Those with extraordinary abilities, professionals with advanced degrees, skilled workers, and investors through the EB-5 program. Family-based green card allows U.S. citizenship and permanent residents to sponsor relatives, including spouses, children, parents, and siblings. The diversity visa lottery provides an opportunity for individuals from countries with low immigration rates to the U.S. to obtain permanent residency. The green card application process involves multiple steps, starting with a petition filed by an employer, family member, or the applicant themselves, depending on the category. Once approved, applicants submit a green card application, undergo biometrics collection, complete medical examination, and attend an interview. Upon approval, they receive either a standard 10-year green card or a conditional 2-year green card, which requires additional steps to remove conditions. Green card holders must maintain their residency by living in the US, fulfilling tax obligation and adhering to US laws. Failing to meet these responsibilities, committing crimes, or prolonged stays outside the country can lead to the loss of permanent residency. Many green card holders choose to apply for a US citizenship after meeting residency requirements, granting them additional benefits such as voting rights and a US passport. Obtaining a green card is a complex but a rewarding process that opens doors to new opportunities. Careful preparation, proper documentation, and professional guidance can help navigate the application process successfully, ensuring a stable and prosperous future in the United States.